Congratulations on your grand success in IBPS SO prelims examination. I am very happy for you. So let us prepare for IBPS SO marketing mains examination. I am Dr. Vijay Prakash Anand and this is Marketing by Vijay YouTube channel you are already familiar with. So I am going to help you out prepare for IBPS SO marketing mains examination through a crash course. Okay, so this crash course will help you prepare for marketing mains examination in the next 10 days because you don't have time. Okay, so there is quite less time to prepare. Okay, now you have already gone through the Kotler's book. Now you are already preparing on your own. So in that process, I want to help you out. So how am I going to help you? I am going to help you out with a crash course. So crash course on IBPS SO marketing mains examination, where I am going to have live classes for the next 10 days from 8 o'clock in the night to 9:30 in the night. So almost 1.5 hours of classes every day for the next 10 days. So almost 15 hours of classes will be happening in the next 10 days, which will help you prepare for IBPS SO marketing mains examination. Besides that, you will also be getting access to my 120 videos, okay, on complete marketing management book that is from Philip Kotler. So it covers the complete marketing in 13 chapters. So you can access that. You can check out all the videos. You can prepare for that. And then you can come down to the live classes also. So both the possibilities are open. Now you already know that the examination is based on MCQs, multiple choice questions. So here on my learning management system, I am also helping you prepare for MCQs. Okay, so I'll be providing you 500 MCQs on my learning management system. So there will be 300 plus MCQs on different chapters. Okay, I am also giving you 3 practice test sets, okay, which will be happening in the last week so that you can prepare for your examination for 30th January. Okay, so all these possibilities are there. Okay, and you can prepare through my videos which are recorded. Then we will be having the live classes for the next 15 hours. Okay, and then you have more than 500 MCQs available, okay, which you can practice throughout in the next 10 days. Okay, so on the whole, I will try to help you out for the marketing mains examination. Okay, so you can join my course by clicking on the link in the description box. Okay, and this course is available for just 1500 rupees. You can WhatsApp me on 7318004181 for any query which you may have. Okay, and I think 1500 rupees is not a big price. Okay, because this can make or break your career. Okay, now you have already cleared prelims, so you should go for mains in the big way. Okay, so let me help you out. Okay, so join the course and see you at 8 p.m. tonight. Thank you.